welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and as you can see, I have no nails on. I just actually removed my poly gel that I had on my left hand, so I'll be sure to leave that video down below if you're interested. So I'm just gonna be doing gel polish on my nails. I want to just do that for now because I have a trip coming up and I want to do them long for that trip. So for now I'm just gonna do just gel polish. So I kind of already shaped my nails off when I removed my poly gel, so I'm just gonna go in and just kind of redefine that shape on some of them. I know I seen one that had a little split on the side. Let's see, I think it was this one. Okay, so after we finished shaping up the nails, and again, I had already did some of it just because when I removed my poly gel, you know, I kind of filed them down a little bit. So now I'm just going to go in and just remove the shine. This step is really important because if you do not remove the shine, your gel polish is not going to stay on your natural nail. It's just like acrylics. You know, if you don't remove the shine, the acrylic is not going to stick to the nail and it's going to lift. Well, same thing. Just because our body produces a lot of oils, those oils are on our nails. So anything you put on it will come off if you don't remove the shine. Just be sure you do this really, really gently. You know, we're just using a buffer. Okay, just like that. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna be using my Madam Glam gel polishes. So I'm gonna use the Madam Glam top coat. I'm gonna use the base coat, and then I don't even know what color. And then I think I'm just gonna do this glittery gold color in the color Stardust. So again, to do gel polish, you are gonna need a base coat, a top coat, and the actual gel polish. And then also I'm gonna go ahead and just do the protein bond on my natural nails, and that way, you know, the gel polish adheres to my nail really good. Okay, so now the first thing I'm gonna do is just apply the base coat. So remember, when you're applying the base coat, you wanna make sure that it's super, super thin. Alrighty, so I applied the base coat. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this hand for 30 seconds. Okay, so I cured the base. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel polish. And again, this is in the color Stardust by Madam Glam. And as always, I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that down below. Alrighty, so I did the first coat, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds as well. Okay, so I cured the first coat, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a second coat.
Make sure when you're applying gel polish on your natural nails that you do the coats really thick. That way, it doesn't peel off really easily, or just so they just don't look so thick.
Now I'm gonna go in with the Madam Glam No White Top Coat, and I'm just gonna apply a thin layer over all of the nails. Now I'm going to go ahead and carry the top coat for 60 seconds. Make sure that when you're doing gel polish, whether it's on acrylics, on your natural nail, whatever you're doing, but if you're using gel polish, you want to make sure that the light is not, or that your polish is not too close to the light to where the light is hitting some of that polish, because if it's open or if you have it just out, it will harden your gel polish. That's why the bottles are black. That way the light does not get in it, because then the polish will harden. So make sure that you keep that in mind when you're doing gel polish. Sometimes I kind of forget, but like even if I have it right here, the light is not really getting to it, but just keep it like behind the light. Alrighty, so I finished doing this hand. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other. So again, we applied the base coat, which is the Madam Glam Soak Off Base Coat. And then we apply 2 coats of the actual gel polish, which I'm using the Stardust Gel Glitter Polish by Madam Glam. And then once we do 2 coats of that and cure each coat for 30 seconds, we apply the Madam Glam No White Top Coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same thing that I did on this hand, and I'll be back. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty and really shiny. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.